Alright, I've got it apart. This is the Nash carburetor. And she's got some gorp in her. Well, you can see it. Yeah, I scraped it a little bit out of the center. Yeah, it's you can see it's yeah, pretty nasty. Yeah. Pretty nasty. There ain't no way this old girl would run. But man, what a strange carburetor. I wish the lighting was a lot better in here. Yeah, it sucks. Yeah. Even the float is, it must have had water in here and froze inside the bowl, because that's usually what takes these floats out. You can see the float is collapsed a little bit there. Let's see. Yeah, you can see it's concaved a little bit. So I'll have to do something about that. So I think what it did had water in it, and then it froze up and it started to crush the float. Well, this is as far as I'm going to take it for tonight. I'm going to go in and drink me a beer and think about this. All right. Well, I just wanted to let you guys see how bad something can look, and maybe I can make it run. We'll see. All right. Later, guys.